Your Excellency, it's a great honor and privilege to welcome you to Wajir County, the camel capital of Kenya, for the 63rd National Madaraka Day celebrations. On this day, as we reflect on our historic journey towards self-governance, I wish to recognize the courage, sacrifice, and the selflessness of our forefathers and the freedom fighters at both national and regional level. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, allow me first to express our profound gratitude to His Excellency the President of Kenya, President William Ruto, for according Wajir County and the wider northeastern region the honor to host this year's Madaraka Day. Your Excellency, the name Wajir means coming together. Wajir is not just a geographical space, it was a strategic bastion. Nestled between Garissa and Mandera, Wajir has for centuries stood as a vital artery of trade, a historic crossroads connecting the Republic of Kenya to its neighbors, Somalia and Ethiopia. Long before the colonial borders, Wajir was a prize to be won, a strategic stronghold, a fierce battleground between the British and the Italians. And Your Excellency, this is the only place in Kenya that for 2 years was under Italian rule. Today, Your Excellency, this town is blessed with sacred historic sites for everyone to see. We stand proud as the home of some of the pioneer educational institutions in the Republic of Kenya, including Wajir Full Primary School and Wajir High School, established in the 1940s and 60s respectively. Your Excellency, the people of Wajir have waited for this day. They prayed for this moment, a day when they host you, their president. A day they get the attention of other Kenyans, stand shoulder to shoulder with the leadership of the Republic, witness the parade of our gallant security forces, and experience the unifying force of patriotism that comes with a national occasion of great magnitude such as this. This day, Your Excellency, marks a defining moment in Wajir's journey. Your Excellency, these celebrations say that Wajir is no longer remote and peripheral. It's fully integrated into the country's shared imagination and future. Your Excellency, the people of Wajir and the wider region will for years to come look back to this day with pride and awe. They will remember this great honor bestowed upon this county by you, Your Excellency. They will remember you as the president who did what was thought unthinkable, protecting the hosting of national holidays, and even more courageously deciding that northern Kenya, and of all places Wajir, for that matter, will host Madaraka Day. Your Excellency, for a long time the people of the northeastern Kenya have organized loudly and silently about the question of belonging and identity. As a region, our post-independence history is often discussed through the lens of marginalization and judged by the images of drought, ravaged livestock when rain fails, security-related hardships, and state-led citizenship challenges, especially in obtaining identification cards and documents, and in old memories of exclusion.